Introduction to Smart Task Lists in Microsoft To Do.
Microsoft To Do is a powerful tool for managing your daily tasks. By creating smart, customized task lists, you can stay organized, set priorities, and boost your productivity. In this guide, we'll explore practical steps to build intelligent task lists that help you work smarter every day.
Adding and organizing tasks.
Begin by entering all your errands, work items, and reminders into Microsoft To Do. Assign due dates, set reminders, and add notes to each task for clarity. Group related tasks together in separate lists or use hashtags for quick filtering. This structure brings visibility to your most important actions and helps prevent anything from slipping through the cracks.
Using smart lists and intelligent suggestions.
The smart lists like My Day, Important, and Planned automatically collect tasks based on priority and deadlines. The My Day feature offers daily suggestions, making it easy to focus on what matters. By marking tasks as important or adding due dates, your lists become dynamic and adapt to your workflow.
Customizing lists with steps, tags, and importance.
Break larger tasks into smaller steps using the Add Step feature. Attach tags to categorize and quickly locate tasks, such as #work or #personal. Mark crucial items as important to make them stand out. Customizing in this way helps you tackle complex goals and ensures nothing gets overlooked.
Syncing across devices and integrating with other apps.
Microsoft To Do syncs your lists across all devices so your tasks are always up to date. Integrate with apps like Outlook or Microsoft Teams for even more streamlined task management. This connectivity allows you to access, update, and complete tasks wherever you are, keeping productivity consistent throughout your day.
Tips for maintaining productive task lists.
Review and adjust your task lists daily. Archive completed items and reprioritize remaining tasks as needed. Take advantage of custom themes and list colors to personalize your workspace and stay motivated. Regular updates and thoughtful organization turn Microsoft To Do into an intelligent partner for achieving your daily goals.